there, I'm going to show you how to make some cool Christmas coasters with resin. Make sure you mix everything properly first, stir it, don't forget to cover everything. Next thing, I'm going to separate the resin I've made into 2 different cups, and I'm going to mix each of them with just standard acrylic white paint and also holographic mica glitter to give that special extra sparkly effect. I'm creating white and red. Obviously this has been sped up. You do need to stir everything carefully. There'll be far too many bubbles if you don't do it slowly, carefully and both ways. I'm putting more glitter around the edge of the mould, and then I'm going to separate each colour into a little pourer to make this easier. Next, I'm going to slowly pour around the edge of the coaster, alternating between the 2 different colours. And you just basically keep doing that over the top till the coaster's filled. It will move, it will make patterns. It's all very interesting and exciting. Then blowtorch those bubbles. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Leaving the resin makes it more gloopy, which means you have more control over it when you do the swirls. Honestly, I probably should have left this for an hour because it's still a bit too gloopy though. When it's all dry, it's time to demold and see what it looks like. Voila! Super sparkle. For the decorations, I'm using vinyl stickers. I love using these best because they are waterproof, which means that you don't have to seal them before you put them on. And you just place them wherever you want. Then I'm adding more glitter because that's what I like to do. And then we're just going to cover it with a very thin layer of clear resin, just to seal it all in properly. These are coasters, so we need to make sure they're not lumpy because, you know, drinks will fall off them. So I'm just using a little stick to move it along, make sure it's as even as it can be towards the edges. Bubble bursting time! Blow, 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 blow. This is gold star confetti that I got for about £1 from the works. I'm adding these on because I thought the reindeers, well, they looked a bit lonely and needed some stars. Then I'm just going to push them under with a little stick to make sure that they're covered as well. Just make sure that it's all still nice and smooth on the top and then blowtorch the bubbles again. When that resin's fully dried, there'll likely be some sharp edges around your piece. So just use some sandpaper or a Dremel to round those edges off a bit, make them a little smoother. And then you're all done! You can put pretty much anything into resin, the limit really is just your imagination. For my images I use vinyl stickers because they're waterproof. You could use paper, cardboard, photos, stickers, foil, confetti, anything you want as long as it's sealed and waterproof. I use laminate to seal my images. There's some more ideas of other things that you could put into resin. Make coasters, bookmarks, desk tidies. Turn a special flower into a trinket box. Got pet hair? Turn it into a keyring. You can even turn your children's hair into things. Make key rings and earrings and trays and everything. For more ideas, visit my Ruby Visions page on Facebook.